Hi.
Tell the guys, hey, welcome back, guys.
Welcome back, everybody.
Say,
Mechanized Cleaning.
I'm Oliver.
I'm Oliver. With Ben.
With Mechanized Cleaning.
With Mechanized Cleaning. I'm working on it.
What's up, guys? Here's another stupid one right before we do the blower. Real quick, this thing, carpet wands. My mom has been busting my chops about the freaking carpet because we're dirty ass pressure washers and we share space and the carpets need to be cleaned. So Oliver and I whipped out an impromptu carpet wand that you can hook up to a pressure washer, because a pressure washer would explode those little low pressure hand valves they put on carpet wands, probably. I don't know, I didn't want to risk doing it. So, and since we have vacuums, we have the world's most powerful carpet cleaner all of a sudden right next to our shop. We just rigged this up, replaced the nozzles to let a little more water out, and just put a little high pressure filter so they don't always clog up every fucking 5 seconds. And I just put a surface cleaner pistol grip with some exhaust clamps on the wand so that we can hold it. Let's give you a little look here. Nothing too fancy, just something to replace those fucking carpet machines. So let's go ahead and hold that, Oliver.
Gotcha.
So here's the idea. Carpet cleaning experiment number one. I don't really want to do carpets, but we're gonna hook this shit up to our big ass 330 CFM blowers and a 6 gallon per minute hot water machine and go throw some soap in the tank and then do these damn carpets. Let's see how it goes. Okay, you can cut that. Oh yeah. The vacuum is so strong, the carpets are like dry, almost dry. Pretty cool. Let's go see how we're powering this. Way overkill just because we're messing around with the shop. But we got a 6 GPM 3,500 pound machine, 3,500 PSI machine. What you got?